Hi guys! Gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang isa sa mga best vacation spots na na-discover ko dito sa Zambales na good for 6 to 8 packs. Perfect for families, couples, barkada, or even solo travelers. We're here sa Vine and Canopy na located dito sa Corregidor Road, Triboa District, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Dito for as low as 16,000 pesos may access ka na sa buong lugar. May living room na air condition, dining area, fully equipped kitchen, may rice cooker, induction cooker, oven, electric kettle, oven toaster, coffee maker, refrigerator, dinnerwares, utensils, and cooking pots and pans. May 3 bedrooms with CR, Smart TV for YouTube and Netflix, and a balcony. And may pa-welcome treat din sila sa guests na specially made by their Subic homegrown makers. Pero beyond the amenities, ang highlight talaga dito is the experience of being close to nature. Yung hangin preskong-presko, yung surroundings tahimik at relaxing. Plus, you get to witness the breathtaking Zambales sunset na sobrang Instagram worthy. Meron din silang restaurant dito which is yung Daloy Bistro. We had dinner here and everything tasted great. Must try yung Bopis rice, crispy kangkong salad, and mango palitaw. Separate ko na lang yung video. Since nasa Subic siya guys, madali ring maghanap ng activities nearby. You can explore the beaches, try water adventures, or visit some of the well-known attractions. Pero honestly, kahit hindi na kayo lumabas, staying here alone feels like a full experience already kasi sobrang relaxing ng lugar. Eto nga pala yung rates nila, post nyo na lang. May ibang units din pala sila na good for 6 to 8 packs din. For bookings and inquiries, message nyo lang ang Vine and Canopy sa kanilang Facebook page at Instagram.